Hey loves, it's your girl Neshia. Excuse the beat upness. I have just come in from the gym and I wanted to get this video out before it became like a month in and I did not get a video out. Okay. So if you read the title, you should already know this video is about my ketogenic lifestyle that I have adapted, that I have adapted to add to my pescatarian lifestyle. If you follow me on Instagram, or either one of my Instagrams, actually, I do have two. I have one, it's just like a main Instagram that is for me, my shenanigans, my hair, God, anything that I feel that I want to post, it's mine and I post it. And then I have another one that was mainly about my pescatarian lifestyle, my weight loss and things like that. And which I kind of like float between the two. But it's kind of like my main one has become everything. It has become a little bit of all of that. So I don't know if I'll be using both of them still, or if I will just keep my main one. It's just everything, just all me instead of, separating the two. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I started keto June 18th. And if y'all see me looking down, I'm old, so I have some notes, okay? I started keto June 18th, and I weighed in at 228 pounds. I do not like saying that out loud, but it was just a truth that I had to face. You know what I'm saying? Like, I weighed so much more than that. And if you go back and like a lot of my old videos, like when I first started, or like working out and quitting and just like working out and giving up on myself, at my heaviest, I weighed 276 pounds. So I am down so much weight, praise God. But again, like I said, I started June 18th and I was 228 pounds. I got on the scale yesterday, okay? Mind you, yesterday was June 2nd. Okay, and I was 216 pounds, 216.4 pounds. So that averages out to like 11 and a half, almost 12 pounds down in 2 weeks. So Monday started week 3. So yes, that's almost 12 pounds down in 2 weeks. And I expected that because I have absolutely no problem fasting. And I do the 16-8 method. I was doing that a while, like even before I did keto. So I wasn't really surprised, but I was surprised, with all the fat that I was putting in my body. Like that it just seems so strange to me that you can eat like that and still lose weight. But I just want to tell you guys that I do not eat crazy. I am pescatarian. I don't know how many times I've said that. And so I eat mostly like fish and vegetables anyway, and fruit. The main thing that I had to give up was bread, pasta, grains, rice. Jesus, God knows I love me some jasmine rice. Like, nothing. Man, jasmine rice is life. Like, jasmine rice is bae, okay? Like, I didn't think that I can give it up. And when I tell y'all I want some bread so bad, I want some bread so bad. Like, I don't want rice. I don't care for pasta. I want me some bread. God knows I want me some bread. So, I'm still getting into the process of not having bread, because I almost had bread every single day. And I know that is a reason why my weight was just kind of stagnant for the most part. So, taking those things out of my diet is looking really, good for me. Like, it's looking up for you, girl, okay? Anybody who wants to start keto, I'm just going to advise you right now to do all your research. Do all the research you possibly can. Like, don't take nobody's word of mouth. Like, do your research. And even if there's people that you follow, there's people you subscribe to on YouTube or whatever, that is doing the ketogenic lifestyle, or they're doing a ketogenic diet, like, take what they say and then still do your research. Like, don't just do what they say, okay? Because you'll be out here looking crazy, and you'll be out here feeling crazy. You'll be feeling like you can half-ass some things. And I am not like super strict on myself, but I do beat myself up when I am not at my 5% carb intake. Like, if I'm at 7%, I beat myself up. And I gotta remember that you're supposed to be in that 5-10% range. So I'm learning that I don't have to beat myself up every day. Like, if it's over 5%, like, as long as it's below 10%, I'm good. You know what I mean? So yeah, carbs is not a problem for me. Um, with this diet or whatever, like it's not a problem for me. Getting my fat, that's my problem. I'm pescatarian, so getting protein, absolutely no problem. But getting my fats in, that's a problem. And getting enough salt in, that's another problem for me. So I gotta I don't know, find some more food to eat that's a little bit elevated in sodium and has some good fats in it. So I am not like I like butter, but it's just not something that everything goes in for me. So yeah, I gotta learn to add like that to it. Like I love vegetables. I can eat vegetables all the time. I love salad. I can eat salad morning, noon, and night. But when it comes to getting those fats in, I'd be like, wait a minute, should I be eating this? I'm always questioning myself, like, should I be putting this in my body? I'm on, you know, I'm dieting. Like I hate using that word, but I will tell myself, like, you dieting, like, should you be eating this, you know? So yeah, I'm glad that I am losing the weight. I do have to be mindful of my salt. I gotta be mindful of my magnesium too, because I've noticed that when I work out, like after I work out, I am in so much pain. And I work out most of the time 3 times a week. Sometimes if I'm up for it, if I feel like, you know, I need to get up and do something, I just feel like I need to do something, I will go work out like a 4th time during the week. So I'm good at telling myself what I need to do and doing it. So that's a plus with this. Why am I stuttering? I hold myself accountable for this lifestyle that I've adopted. And it's crazy because it's like the beginning of week 3 and I am so into it, just like so into it. Like I'm so dedicated. Like a lot of people think that I'm just gonna give up on it. Like they are like, oh, you gonna eat bread? Oh, girl, listen to me. She wanna get out the 200s, okay? I don't really have a goal weight in mind, but for right now, my goal is to get out the 200s. And eating right, working out is helping. I'm good. Like, I'm good. So, what else did I have written down? Oh, my food. I basically do 2 meals a day. I don't do dinner. I'll probably do dinner today because I plan to sleep in tomorrow. Like she ain't doing breakfast. So yeah, I'll probably do dinner tonight and do like a late fast and eat lunch tomorrow. So I basically do 2 meals a day, and that's breakfast and lunch. And I do those 2 meals while I'm at work. So yeah, I do those 2 meals, and then most of the time I have a snack. And when I say snack, I don't mean anything crazy. My snacks normally consist of pickles. Love pickles. My fat bombs, I made those. I'll probably insert a little video of me making my fat bombs or how they came out or whatever. I love sunflower seeds and I love pistachios. And my fruit of choice is strawberries. I don't really like raspberries. I did taste blackberries. They're good. They can work for me, you know. But most of the time, that's basically all I eat. I eat a lot of fish. I do eat shrimp, but I have to watch them because they're high in cholesterol. But most of the time, like I don't eat much. Like, so that's why it's kind of hard for me to get my fats in and my salt intake up. You know, I stay hydrated. I love water. I can drink water until I'm sick, basically. There is sometimes where I have to drop some lemon in it or some cucumber in it just to like cut the taste from water. But I love water. Like I can drink water all day long. Like seriously, I can. The one thing that really got to me was the fact that I couldn't have my French vanilla creamer in my coffee. Y'all, I was so sick. Like week 1, I was sick because I could not have my coffee. Like I could not have my coffee the way I was so used to drinking my coffee for the last couple years. Like I thought I was gonna toss keto. But then when I tried the bulletproof coffee, it was pretty good. And I ended up using some of the Splenda Naturals, which were, they're okay. The stevia, I don't like the way that tastes. So that was a strong no. That didn't work. But I like the Splenda Natural, so I've used that in my coffee and it worked out. I haven't tried ghee yet. You know that butter that everybody has on keto. I haven't tried that. I don't know why. But I don't know. I don't even know if I want to. Like, should I? If anybody had ghee, is it good? Is it just buttery? Like, what is it? I need to do my research. I need to do my research on ghee. Like, I just keep seeing it. I don't know what it is, and I haven't tried it or whatever. But yeah, like, keto is cool for me. Like, keto is good. As long as I work out, as long as I eat right, drink my water, and keep my pickles in stock, I'm good. Like, I don't think anybody would have a bad, like a bad, I ain't gonna say that, because I've seen some videos where the ketogenic, like the fat intake, like the rush of fat has made some people sick, like sent people to the hospital, all kind of stuff. But I like keto. Like, I do. I really, really do. And I think it's gonna work out for the long haul. Like, I'm hoping, because everything is just going so good. Like, I just hope nothing bad happens, you know. But keto is good. Like, I like keto. This sounds so crazy, but I do. And I'll show you guys the gym that I work out in, and I don't want to say I'll do weekly updates of keto, just when I feel the need to talk about keto, and if anything changes with keto, I feel like I need to update. You know what I'm saying? Like, other than that, I don't think I'm gonna be like doing like weekly updates of keto. I think that's excessive. When something changes, like if I lose 10 more pounds, you know, then I'll feel like, okay, I need to tell these people how I lost these 10 pounds. If I find something that I feel I need to share via YouTube about keto, then I'll make a video on it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think I'm gonna be that person who, every time I think of something keto, or every time something happens, or every time something changes with my keto situation, I'm gonna wanna talk about it. I don't think so. And I think I'm gonna probably start rambling, so I just need to go ahead and close this video out. And if you have any tips, if you have any good recipes, now mind you, I don't eat meat, so I don't fool with the meat. I just eat like fish, crab. I eat seafood. How about that? There we go. I eat seafood and a lot of vegetables. So any videos, any recipes, I love Pinterest. I'm on Pinterest all the time. So y'all drop it in the drop box below, in the comment box, and let me know if anybody doing keto, anybody want to start keto. Let me know. Like, let me know what's up. Like, I love it. Like, I really, really do love it. The one thing that I think I need to look up, though, I think I seen somebody post something about keto acne, and I need to look that up. I really, really do. Like, really, really do. Anywho, it is July 3rd. I hope everybody has a safe and fun 4th of July. Don't do nothing crazy. And love on your family, love on your friends, like, love on everybody. Y'all have a great, safe holiday, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, lovies.